Hey scrappers, this is Tom from rrcats.com, and we have had a few people asking us what makes catalytic converters scrap and why do people sell them. So we want to go over a couple of points. In front of me we have 3 different catalytic converters, and we did not choose any for a specific reason, but what we want to talk about is why cats become scrap. Now there's multiple reasons. One, a car could get totaled. This could have come off of a perfectly good car. It's clean, it doesn't look mangled. It could be relatively new. That's one reason. A second reason, the cat could go bad. Sometimes you have cats that have broken material, so they have to be going in there. You're missing stuff from inside. This cat on this side has a few broken pieces, and these broken pieces won't allow the exhaust to go through cleaner. You'll hear rattling, so they get it replaced with an aftermarket cat most of the time. Another reason, it could just be end of life. Sometimes, like this cat that came off of a Toyota Prius, this was one of the earlier Prius models. The car drove for 10 years, 11 years, and at a point, cars go from being worth money to just becoming scrap. So these are a few of the different reasons that catalytic converters go from being viable for reuse or being used to becoming scrap. If you have any other questions about catalytic converters, just contact the team at rrcats.com today. Have a great day.